Raindrop Rhythm. Follow along as I read the poem. Remember, a good reader has to see the words. Raindrop Rhythm. Heard the rhythm of the raindrops dripping to the ground. Heard the rhythm of the raindrops dropping all around. Heard the rhythm of the raindrops drumming on the rafter. Heard the rhythm of the raindrops drowning out our laughter. Now it's your turn. Read the poem after me. Raindrop Rhythm. Heard the rhythm of the raindrops dripping to the ground. Heard the rhythm of the raindrops dropping all around. Heard the rhythm of the raindrops drumming on the rafter. Heard the rhythm of the raindrops drowning out our laughter. Today it says circle the blends DR and GR. DR says dra and GR says gra. DR, I see DR in drop. I see DR in drop here, and in dripping, and in drops, dropping. There's a lot of them. Drops, drumming, drops, drowning. And GR, like in ground. You'll have to see if there are any more GRs. Then it says, what can you do in the rain? You're going to write the sentence. I'm going to erase that quick. I want this to be my very best writing. In the rain, I can. You're going to fill in what you do in the rain. In the rain, I can jump in puddles. Now you can either write what I wrote or you can come up with your own. This would be a great time to pause the video so that you can write a complete sentence. Do your best work.